Sales in Irvine almost doubled last month. Here's what that means for you if you're thinking about selling. I'm Brian from Be Listed, and this is your Irvine property market update for April 2026, covering activity from March across the KA11 and KA12 postcode areas. Each month I analyse what's really happening locally so buyers, sellers and landlords can make informed decisions, not just rely on the national headlines. If you'd like to read the full breakdown, you'll find it on our website, link is in the post. March has shown a clear step forward for the Irvine market. We've seen stock levels increase to around 152 homes, which is up both month on month and year on year. At the same time, new instructions came in at 54. New instructions is just new properties coming to the market, which is steady and very much in line with what we'd expect for this time of year. But the standout figure this month is sales agreed, which jumped from 33 in February to 61 in March, almost doubling in a single month. That's a strong sign that buyer demand has re-engaged after a quieter February. So what does that actually mean? The key takeaway is this: demand hasn't disappeared, it's paused and it's now back. Buyers are still active, still making decisions, but they're more selective than they were during the peak years. We're seeing well presented, correctly priced homes are attracting strong interest and progressing, while others are taking a bit longer to sell. Breaking it down slightly, KA11 is driving a lot of momentum, with sales agreed nearly doubling month on month. KA12 is also showing strong demand, returning but with slightly longer selling times, which suggests that buyers are being a bit more considered in this part of the market. On the letting side, demand across Irvine remains very strong. Good quality 2 and 3 bedroom homes, particularly those with outdoor space or parking, are continuing to let very quickly. Supply is still relatively limited, which is supporting rental values. As we move through spring and into early summer, we're likely to see more properties coming to the market, which will increase competition between sellers. But if demand continues at current levels, the market should remain active and balanced rather than heavily favoured on either side. If you're thinking about selling, letting, or simply want to understand what your property might be worth in today's market, I'd be delighted to help. At Be Listed, we provide data-led valuations based on what buyers are actually doing in Irvine right now. You can read the full Irvine property market update on our website, and if you'd like to start a conversation about your next move, just get in touch. I'm Brian McLennan from Be Listed. Thanks for watching.